Daddy was born in 1940. One day he went shopping when he was 15. He bought $1 together with him and went around on a shopping spree. He bought spices and sugar, a bottle of vinegar, some loaves of bread, and a whole load of crab. Daddy was happy, his harvest was aplenty. That was the power of a single dollar.
A boy was born in 1990. He wanted to shop too when he was 15. To make him happy, his dad gave him $1 so that the story could end happily ever after. Our boy went to shop, he saw ice cream, donuts, cake cream and all. Yet he could only afford the taping at the canteen store. So our boy went back just to get more pocket money from dad. That money is not for us to ration. I must spend more, thanks to inflation. Look at this graph, look carefully. It's aggregate price against quantity. The two curves here summarize society's aggregate demand and supply. Inflation causes one, demand through inflation. Humanity is greedy in nature. They will spend more cash when they grow richer. Thus, AD will shift rightward, but the growth of AS cannot catch up. Number 2. Cost push inflation. On the other hand, somehow, cost prices tend to go up anyhow. Companies will then simply up the price. To maintain their profits, they won't be nice. And when equilibrium shifts from E1 to E2, that's price inflation for you.